Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2019 Salem from Forest River. This is a model 27RLSS. It's a rear living travel trailer with slide out. It has a front queen bed. Some of the great features on this are shared with the Wildwood. It's made on the same production line. T6 aluminum, like aircraft grade aluminum. It's not going to delam, not going to warp. Solar resistant graphics aren't going to peel from sunshine. Power hitch jack. Down the sides you can see we've got power awning, outside speakers, LED light rope behind that awning. Those won't attract the bugs to your campsite. Power jacks. This year they included electric jacks, front and rear. Solar ready, just plug and play, pointed at the sun and you're off grid. And locking storage compartments to keep your camping gear high and dry. This one has double door entry, so if you want to come in and use the bathroom, you don't have to wake someone up who might be sleeping. Alloy wheels. Solid steps, just as the name implies. Here's the model 27RLSS. Backside, you see we have the fold down rack if you want to bring the bikes, golf clubs, raft, you name it. Big windows in the rear living, and hopefully you've got a nature view instead of a parking lot full of trailers like we've got here. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Open her up, a couple steps up. These are nice because they're not like a diving board, and you got this really wide step at the top. From a safety standpoint, it's a lot easier coming in and out. Look at there, all matching furniture. It should be. This was on a dealer's lot that is no longer in business, so we have to sell it as used, but it's basically a new trailer. You got the two rockers in the back, a sofa bed. This makes into guest sleeping accommodations. Roller blinds throughout, which are better than the day-night shades, which always break and you have to adjust them and fix the strings. Overhead storage. The booth dinette has storage underneath the booths. This one has a drawer over here, but if you drop the table, you've got, again, guest accommodations for sleeping. Entertainment center, spot for the TV here right in the middle. The jacks, plug-ins, USB receiver right in the middle. And of course, there's speakers built in this unit throughout. Ducted air conditioning. Our galley, look at this, doesn't that look sharp? The stainless steel on the appliances. The stove, never been lit. Built-in backsplash, solid surface countertops, dual basin sink, flex hose, like you might find a restaurant type setup, pantry storage, pots and pans storage, silverware. Notice the drawers are all plywood, ball bearing roller guides, not press board. Fascia on the Dometic refrigerator freezer. Again, it's either brushed aluminum or stainless. And massive pantry storage here. Hidden hinges. Down the hallway. This is kind of genius. Instead of just having a corner here, they put in corner cabinets. Additional storage. On to the bedroom. Here we have a queen size walk-around bed with plug-ins on both sides, nightstands, wardrobes on both sides, USB charger over here, and a laundry chute over here. So that storage compartment up front, if you leave your laundry hamper down there, you can just drop the clothes down and collect them for laundry day. There's also a spot for a television if you so wish. Back out into the hallway and the bathroom last. All in one, foot flush toilet, sink, vanity mirror, Neo style magnetic shower, and we've got the skylight overhead. There is also linen storage here as well. And we're back in the main living area of this 2019 Salem 27RLSS. It's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. Or see us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.